spent the weekend in the Eastern Cape up in Hogsback doing a motorbike rally raid by the Red Cherries. It was one of the most fun weekends I've ever had, even though I can't really remember much of it. I did get into a little bit of a fender bender, if you were to call it that. I had a Suzuki brake check me around a corner, and I went straight over my handlebars through the back of his canopy, smashing his window. But I don't know, it's all part of the game. It happens to the best of us, and not much memory from the weekend. A bit of concussion, a bit of neck pain, but other than that, it was pretty fucking epic.
I've been trying to do it right. I've been living a lonely life. I've been sleeping here instead. I've been sleeping in my bed. I've been sleeping in my bed.
And I drove there with just Josh and my car because I needed to grab my casino card and my debit card.
I don't know where I belong. I don't know where I went wrong. But I can write a song. I belong with you, you belong with me, my sweetheart. I belong with you belong with me, my sweetheart. I don't think you're right for him. Think of what it might have been if you took a bus to Chinatown. I'd be standing on Canal and Bowery. She'd be standing next to